Cardboard, electrical. Here's where I get all my cardboard. I've taken all the good stuff out today, but there's a whole gaylord back there of straight, big, huge pieces of like the plants cardboard. This cardboard I'm gonna break down and take it. Look at this, a little spreader, right? I mean, folks, skylights. This is where I get all my buckets. You can get outdoor furniture, little step ladder. Look at, you can repurpose so much of this stuff. Look at this. Look at that. What could you put on that in your garden or in your garage? Here's some great, I always buy all of these great baskets and things. They're great to put yard waste in, put out by the curb for the street guys, right? Cripe, you can even find exercise equipment if you're not getting enough exercise in your in your garden. Lots of chairs to sit around in your garden, tons of ladders, and you know you can find all kinds of things on YouTube of what to do with ladders. Lights if you want to light up your garden. Tires, sawhorses to make you a little table to put your grow bags on. Look at this. More spreaders, tubs. You can even find skis. And we're in Indiana. You don't really ski around here. Look at this. Tools, garden rakes. These are awesome for if you're doing a new garden like I am, to put up where the borders go. Look at this, folks. This would be so cute, right? Just sitting up in a garden with a pot hanging on it. Garden rakes, more garden rakes. I mean, they got everything you need here. And it's cheap, 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 cheap. Don't want to sound like a bird, but my name is Robin. Here's a gorgeous ladder. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous and so tall. All right, what else we got here? Just lots of little goodies. Lots of things you can make anything out of. Oh, here's where I'll get all my buckets.